Hi, I'm Irina of Poor Girl's Kitchen. This is my little kitchen. It's my little area where I get to shoot my videos. It's a very long kitchen, you see, and it's the only spot I have to do this. And if you do it from this angle, it looks terrible, so that's why we do it like this. Here's my mug. Seneku High, class of 1987. You do the math. Or not. Anyway, today we're going to be making Choc My Cherries, which is a chocolate chip cookie, but we put cherries in it, obviously. You could put green in it for Christmas, that would be nice, but we just have red today. Oh, where are my cherries? I didn't bring them. They're around the corner. Daddy will bring them to me. Oh, also, we are supposed to mention Beauty at Home with Lucy, because when we reached 2,000 likers on Facebook, we gave a free little ad spot here. So, she was a winner and she sells Body Shop. And I got this vitamin C energizing face mist. It says for dull, tired, and grumpy skin. Now, I'm not grumpy, but dull and tired I can get. And it's really nice. It smells like an orange in your face. So, once again, Beauty at Home with Lucy. Find her on Facebook. And she's doing secret sales and Christmas gifts. So that's exciting. But back to what we're going to do, which will be the chocolate chip... Choc My Cherries. That's what it is. Choc My Cherries. I think it's a bit of a rude title, but you know, that's what we have. So let's get to it. We're going to start off with 227 grams of room temperature butter, which is 227 grams is 1 cup. And this is my fancy mixer. Okay, there we go. What the heck is this in there? Alright, next is 150 grams of brown sugar. I think that's 1.5 cups. Okay, 150 grams of brown sugar. And 150 grams of white sugar. 151 will do. Now you blend. Alright. Look at my dough already. 2 eggs, room temperature, and about a teaspoon of vanilla, which is very important in chocolate chip cookies, but there you go. I never measure that, I just stick it in. This is blending really well today. I imagine our cookies are going to be good. Some days your cookies turn out better than other days. Okay, so that's that. 300 grams. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Got it. About half a teaspoon of baking soda. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm supposed to go easy on the salt. But I use unsalted butter, so it takes out a little bit of the salt. Now I like to put this in a shaker. This takes a while. You know what? Heck. There you go. La la la. What did we miss doing? I think at this stage we're going to introduce the chocolate and the cherries. Just going to use 1 whole chocolate bar, which is 100 grams. So 100 grams of chocolate. You could buy chocolate chips, obviously. Some of them are just semi-sweet or not very flavorful, so I like to use a very dark chocolate bar. There. So now I'll get the cherries. Dark chocolate, which is not sweet, and the glacé cherries, which are sweet. Just use that. And cut them in half. Should we just do them all? Let's do them all. Let's be generous. Let's see if that's going to be enough. There. Okay. Now, what you could do is put this in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes so it firms up, and then pop them in the oven. I might do that, and I'm going to show you another trick. Cling film. get some cling film, stick it on it, and sort of smush it in so it's like a log. Wrap it up like this. Kind of make it as even as possible. And the convenience of this is you could put this in the freezer and take it out, or you could slice off a few depending on how many cookies you want at the moment. So that's alright. So I might actually put this in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes so it's a bit solid, and then bake them up. Okay, so now my dough has been resting in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. And like I said, when you put it in the saran wrap, you can make as many or as little as you want. Look at that, see? Got cherries and chocolate in it. I've been told I should start to sell cookies again and make little boxes. Let's make 12 today. You could cook these from frozen, straight out of the freezer. Look at my old trays. That one's going to be a bit big. So I've made 12 and I still have half the roll left. So that's pretty good. I might put this in the freezer to enjoy for another time. Alright, so all done. There you have it. My plate of cookies. I'm going to hold one up so you can see. Aren't they lovely? Well, to break it apart and show it to you. And I'll break apart one that doesn't look very nice, so I'll eat that straight away. Look at that. Full of chocolate chips and cherries. Woo! Nice and warm out of the oven. Okay. That's quite nice. It's a bit gooey from being warm with the cherries. That's quite nice. So there you have it. That's the Choc My Cherry recipe. I don't know what page it is on the book, because I've got this one. This isn't the real book, obviously. So, and also remember to check out Beauty at Home with Lucy, who sells a body shop. And I got this, the vitamin C energizing face mist. Also, check out our book. We've got more coming. So, there you go. Thanks. Bye-bye.